If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. By default, QuickBooks Online Plus doesn't let you record multiple payment types in a single sales form. However, you can create a payment line item or line items to work around this. For example, creating a payment line item can help if a customer wants to pay by check and by cash in a single transaction. Using your payment item in a sales form and then placing negative amounts for the payment line item into the right column in the sales form lets you record multiple payment types in a single sales form. To create a payment line item in QuickBooks Online, create a new product or service by clicking the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then select the Products and Services command under the Lists heading to open the Products and Services page. Then click the New button in the upper right corner of the list to open the Product Service Information pane. In the first screen of the pane, select the Non-Inventory Item type. Then enter a name for the payment line item like cash payment or Visa payment, for example. Then type the same name into the description field to show it in your sales forms. Next, select the desired asset account into which to deposit the funds when the payment item is used within a form, like the undeposited funds account or your checking account, from the Income Account drop-down as needed. Then select the Non-Taxable choice from the Sales Tax category drop-down. Then select one of the Save options from the Save drop-down button to save the item and close the pane. After creating the required payment items, you can then use them in the Line Items area of Sales Forms to record a customer payment to the associated asset account. When entering a payment line item, be sure to enter the payment line item with a quantity of 1 in the quantity column and a negative payment amount in the rate column within the sales form. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.